Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to duplicate. So for example, I will create a table. You can set the name like this. And if you want to duplicate this Google Sheet, you can go to File menu and then click Make a Copy and set the name. So like I will set into example copy. Can click Make a Copy. So it will be create the duplicate from the various files like this. It's the duplicate and this is the main file. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial how to duplicate. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.